Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are joining us from. I'm excited again. I'm excited again because we are live again. Doesn't matter what happened last week. Satan has got nothing on us. So if you're excited, I want you to talk to me in the chat box. I want you to talk to me in the chat box. Let me know if you're excited. Let's go through the chat box together. Good morning, Sunday, Emmanuel. It says good morning, Coach Sunday Emmanuel from Ibadan. Good morning, Sunday Emmanuel. Good morning, John from Abuja. Good morning, Onyeka Damilare. Good morning, Honesty Iyekekolo. Honesty from Lagos. Good morning, Adegbola Kayode from Ibadan. Talk to me in the chat box. I want you to write I am big. I am big. I want to know that you're ready for today, man. Good morning. Happy new month. Oluwaseyi Fumi from Ibadan. Good morning, Oluwaseyi Fumi Adebiyi. Good morning, Yerokun Samson from Ibadan. Good morning, Onyeka Oluwadamilare from Lagos. Joshua Itonihu, good morning from Abuja. Amazing. He says, let's make some Santa money. Exactly, brother. You know what it is. You know what time it is. Good morning. He says, I'm excited. Oluwaseyi Fumi says, I'm excited. Look at everybody in the comment. I am big. I am big. I am big. I am big, big, big. Look at this. Chat box is blowing up right now. I am big. I am big. Joshua says, I am big. He dragged his own big very well. Seyi Fumi, big. Sunday Emmanuel, big. Happy New Month to you too. We're gonna make some money today. Happy New Month to you too. Elaja Oluwasegun, good morning. From Lagos, good morning. So I'm at my brother's house, we came for a meeting, and it's this morning, so I'm like, why not I do my live stream from his workstation? So I'm sure you guys know this name at the back, King Souls FX. So look at the name showing on the wall there. I'm at his place right now. So if you know him, good for you. If you don't know him, you're missing out on a whole lot. I promise you, you're missing out on a whole lot. He's changing the entire trajectory of the forex market. He has a bias, and he believes in buying gold, and that has been a bias that has never failed. That has been a bias that has never failed. You know, that has been a bias that has never failed. There's been a bias that has never failed. I am big. I am big. Happy New Month also. So let's get into the chat. So last week was not the best for us. But thank God for risk management. All right. So last week was not so was not according to expectation. Now I'll tell you this. Um those that trade with me on the VIP, they know that I'm not telling a lie. We've been on a winning streak for about how many weeks now? Since October. So that's like 5 or 6 weeks winning streak back to back. But I don't know. This Santa Profit now broke our streak. You know, Santa Profit decided to break our streak, but it got nothing on us. It got nothing on us. Santa Profit got nothing on us. We're gonna make money from this same market. You know, so I just want you guys to be of good cheers. For I have overcome the world. Have you ever TikTok? Have you ever TikTok? Be of good cheers, for I have overcome the world. So we're gonna make money today. Look at the market and let's see what we can take. And maybe if you guys beg me a lot, you beg King Souls, type everywhere, King Souls, King Souls, King Souls. Maybe he'll come and analyze gold for us, but you have to beg him very well. If you don't beg him, he's not gonna come. You know you like Shakara. And they say person will get money. No, they wrong. No, they looking at me. If you beg him, then he might consider and then come and look at good for you guys. But let's look at USD very quickly. So from USD, I'll take us to maybe UBJPY. Let's look at what the market has for us today in the market. So we trust God that we'll make some money today. We trust God that we'll make some money today. So let's look at the weekly time frame. Let's see how the week candle closed. So look at the weekly. Last week's candle was heavy bullish. Now, what does that mean? We are going to have bullish sentiments, bullish movements in the market. Are you with me? We're going to have a lot of what? A lot of bullish movements in the market. That's the first meaning. Now, if you are doubting me, every single time the price give us this kind of bullish move. See, what did you do here? Went up. Look at this side. What did you do after the bullish? Went up. Look at this side. What did you do after bullish? Went up. Look at this one. After bullish, went up. After bullish, went up. So we're going to have bullish move in the market. Take it from me. So I'm not interested in sales. Sell can be a short-term trend. But last week closed heavy bullish, confirming our buy or rather bullish sentiment. Am I making any sense, please? Confirming our what? Our bullish sentiment. Now, when you see bullish sentiment in a bearish zone, it might not always mean buy. For instance, look at this bullish candle. But this is a bearish zone because this is the height of a move. That's why price has to come down and went all the way up. You have to come down to feel the others below. In the same vein, this one, however, we are already in the bearish zone. And we are already in the bullish zone rather. Price has come down, taking out the liquidity that's done all the paparazzi wanted to do. So first, I'm interested in three things. Follow me closely. I'm interested in the open of the highest point of last week candle. Second, I'm interested in the close of last week candle. Then third, I'm interested in the close of the previous week's candle, rather the highest point. Yes, those three places I'm very interested. Every other thing doesn't really matter to me right now. Let's go to the daily candle. Remember, we have marked out what we are interested in. Now, on the daily candle, what are we interested in? Friday's low. I'm going to buy from this Friday's low. Friday's low. All right. Friday's low. I'm interested in Friday's low. By the way, you guys, please give this video a thumbs up if you have watched up to this point, because YouTube will recommend it to other people if you do. So please give it a thumbs up. Just like it. And if you're watching the replay, then please put a comment and also like it if you've watched to this point. Whenever you're watching the replay, because I know a lot of people come and watch the replay. I know that by the number of views. By the way, when you see 100 views, it's not those that joined live, it's those that watch the replay. Those that joined live, it will not count. It's those that watch the replay. So when you go to the live stream and you see 100 views, it's those that watch the replay. I don't think the live counts. I'm not sure, but I don't think so. And I've been streaming for years. I've been streaming for 3 years plus. This is my 4th year live streaming. Yeah. So you can permit me to say I'm a streamer too. I'm a streamer. I'm just not streaming on all these TikTok apps. I'm a live streamer also. Anyways, back to conversation. Um, uh, so Friday's low. I'm interested. But what do I want first? I want price to take out the low. Then I know that price will come and take out the high. I don't know how I will explain this to you, but please find a way to believe it. I need price to first take out the low. Once price takes out the low, then I'll be interested in price taking out the high. And I don't know how best to explain what I just said. I honestly don't know how best to explain it, but that's what I need price to do. So, to be honest, I think price has told us what he wants to do already. I don't know if people are not seeing it, but me, I've seen it too. It's so clear. So clear. Guys, we are buying gold. We are buying GBP from this low. So this is our liquidity here. Price will come down. And from here, we're buying. Remember what I told you? Once price takes out the low, it will always come back to take out the high. Now, if price takes out this low, come and take out this high, meaning it will come up here. Am I making any sense? It means price will come up here. Let's see something. So price will come and take out this high. So these are our take profit regions. So I expect price to buy from this zone actually. Let me see 3 hours. 3 hours also is around that place. Let's see 1 hour. 1 hour also is around that place. If 4 hours is around that place, 1 hour around that place, 3 hours around that place, daily around that place. I don't need any confirmation anymore. Honestly speaking, guys, honestly speaking, I don't need any more confirmation from anything and anybody. I think it's clear what price wants to do already. It's clear. So wait for price to come down and we'll buy. Buy from here. Nothing more than 20 pips stop loss. So this is go GBUSD. This is GBUSD. Let me share the chart to you guys. On the Telegram, you guys can see it. Price is definitely going to come there. Don't worry. Like it has shown us, it's so clear. Entry 1.31931. Stop loss 730. Three three. Um, let's look at GBJPY. Weekly. Weekly is in a sell zone. As you can see. But now our job to catch a falling knife. Neither is it our job to catch knife that you throw to the ceiling. No. So I don't want to be the one to start the sell. I want to join the sell. Daily has given us several sell confirmations. Several, I must say. Several, I must say. Several, I must say. It's tempting to join the sellers, man. The sellers look like they already got their thing. Okay, so I think sellers are in charge. How can we join there? Oh, these guys are selling, man. And this guy has a long sale, man. Look at where he's selling to. See where he's selling to, man. That's a long sale. This is where he's selling to. Right? Let me confirm again. Yes, that's where he's selling to. The earliest you can stop at is here. That's the earliest the sale can stop at. Whew. That's the earliest the sale can stop. So knowing that, let's look for entry on the 4 hours. Entry on the 4 hours. Let's look for entry on the 4 hours. Give me a second. Entry on the 4 hours. So yeah, price clear liquidity here. As you can see, there was a liquidity grab there. Now, what was the low that brought about that liquidity taken out? This is low here. This particular low here was all shot up. Okay, was what created the liquidity that was now grabbed? Price came to the low that grabbed the liquidity, went down. Now price will come to the low that gave the liquidity, then go down, then come to the low that grabbed this low, then go down. That's what price will keep doing. Then come up to this low, then go down. That's market structure. Nothing more complex than that, guys. Observe the low that gave us the liquidity. Observe the low that took out the liquidity. Now, price will come to the low that gave us the liquidity or the low that took out the liquidity first, any of them. Any one price comes to first, after going down to break the lower structure, it comes to the one that gave us that liquidity. Hey, fine girl, how are you? So after price takes away the liquidity, it will come back to the low that gave us the liquidity or the low that cleared the liquidity. But you do one first, after that one, it's a good second one. So in this case, gave us the liquidity. Am I making any sense? Am I making any sense, please? So I told you this is the low that gave us the liquidity. This is the low that took out the liquidity. So price came down, came up to the low that took out the liquidity. Yeah, as you can see, then came down. Now it will come up to the low that gave us the liquidity here. As you can see, that's what price will do. Then it will come down and then come up to the low that took out the liquidity. Yeah, as you can see, then come down, then come up to this other low. Yeah, then go down. That's what price will keep doing. This is market structure. So with this understanding I just taught you, where will I be looking to sell or buy from, to sell from for GBJPY? Talk to me, please. Where will I be looking to sell from? I said price has done this first one. It will come for this second one, right? So right now, this is my preferred sell zone, but I have to pick it on the line chart. So this is where I'm selling from. The need for line chart. Come and see. This is the line chart zone for this low that gave us the liquidity bar. I will clear the liquidity bar. What did price do on the candlestick chart? As soon as price tapped it, it fell. So we pick our key levels on the line, on the candlestick chart. We pick our key levels on the line chart. Follow me. As soon as price tapped the low that we marked out on the line chart, boom, came down immediately. With this same understanding, as soon as price comes to tap this high, this low rather, to immediately give us another bearish pump. Am I making any sense? Are you getting what I'm saying? That so as soon as price taps that low, we expect a sell. Again, proper risk management, but we expect a sell at that place because of historical price action. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Because of historical price action. So I'm going to look at selling GBPJPY from this zone here and nothing before it. If price should go down here first, come down here first. As long as it will come back up here, then I'm interested. So according to some people's strategy, they call this place our protected high. The price should not come here. And they call this place our stop loss, or whatever they call it. I don't know how they call it. Now the thing is, I strategy that they used to trade. In fact, I will not mention any names, but I've learned from a few of them. You understand what I'm saying? I've learned from a few of them. I've watched their videos also on YouTube. Yes, I say it unashamedly. I've gone to YouTube, watched their videos. I'm like, interesting. I like that POV. Tried it out. It works. It's just grammars, right? But the grammars work. It's just that, if you understand the basic concept behind it, I promise you, you're good. Once you understand the concept behind it, not just learning and memorizing the grammar, understand the concept behind it. You just need to understand the concept behind it. Am I making sense now? Understand the concept behind it. Amen. In the same vein, this is what I'm expecting. And where is our sale going to end? Oh, bro. I told you that we are selling for a long time. You think I'm joking? But I would like to pause that sell at. So, if you remember very well, I taught you guys what's called 3 white soldiers. That has little or 0 wicks below this first white soldier second white soldier, third white soldier. The price will retrace to the half of the second white soldier and then go up. I may not remember when I taught this thing. Those of you that joined the market mastery program, the VIP class, you remember when I taught this? The price will come down to half of the second white soldier. Not half of the entire move, sir. Half of the second white soldier. I remember teaching that. In this same vein, where is our second white soldier? And where is half of it? So half of this guy on the weekly time frame, half of this guy is about this zone. Let's even use Fibonacci. This is the entire candle move. That three white soldier. We're not picking the body, we're picking the entire thing from the week to the week. Where's 50% of it? This is 50% of it here. Right? Now, let's speak body to body. Body to body. This is 50% of it. Body to body, that's 50% of it. So on the 4-hour time frame, we have our take profit regions. We have this TP1, we have this TP2. Am I making any sense, please? We have this TP1 and this TP2. So I'm expecting price here. Our stop loss is above this zone here. Our stop loss above this the previous high, you know. Our stop loss above the previous low that was taken out. So let's say 30 pips. 30 pips stop loss is very okay. Very okay, man. Very okay. So this is what I'm expecting on GBP. And you might be asking, man, this guy, how did you do this analysis? I don't understand. If you don't understand, please rewatch it. This is a product of several years of sacrifice in the market. All right. So someone was telling me, the person came to my DM. He said, "Sir, I've unfollowed you on Telegram. I've left the Telegram channel. I've unfollowed your Instagram. A fake trader. Our trader turn. The first week we ended in a loss, and you always come and show take profit. Is it that you're showing us a fake account? Blah blah blah." And I laughed. And guess what I told him? I said, "I understand your pain. I respect that you would rather be away from our mentorship, but I will also not let you, define my overall success by since 2018. I sabi my onion. Don't worry. I sabi. I see. I'm good. Forget. I sabi this thing. Yeah, I know. I sabi this thing. No worry." So I told him, and he said thank you, but he was still angry. And I don't know if he followed back and whatnot. I'm not even interested. I didn't know him from anywhere. He just messaged me randomly out of disappointment that our first week we ended in a loss. And the funny thing, we didn't technically end in a loss because that USD trade, many people took it. Sadly, I didn't. But many people came to my DM. "Oh, thank you, coach. My trade just hit." No, they were even asking me, "Should I close? Should I close?" Many people. And those of you that came to my DM on Friday, I told you guys to close at about 40 pips profit, if you remember. Those of you that came to my DM yesterday, I'm on Friday rather. I can count more than 10 people that came. More than 10. So for those people now, they have recovered the losses from the first 3 trades. So they have easily. Sadly, I did not, but they did easily. Where am I driving at? We didn't technically end the loss, but let's just take it for the sake of those that did not enter. There was a funny week, just not say unpleasant. So this is where I'm looking to buy and sell from. Um, Let me send you BJPY. So let me send it to the Telegram also. Entry point is 206.592. Stop loss 206.892. Take profit. Take profit is 204.087. So that's my bias for GBP I've sent it on the Telegram group, so you guys can check it out. Um, and again, it's free. So if you're not on the Telegram, then you are doing yourself a big disservice because it's free. It's totally free. Totally free. Um, it's totally free. This was the gold of last week. Oh, see how price tapped us. Remember when we analyzed, I told you guys the price would break above here, tap this entry and go. And what the price do? Broke above, tapped it and moved. If you like, keep sleeping on the trade. So if you count this one now, that is how many pips? That is 939 pips. This was the entry, if you remember. I remember clearly this was our entry. This was our TP. I remember very clearly. But let's look for another re-entry. for re-entry. Let's look for re-entry, guys. So let's look for another re-entry. Um, re-entry would be at. Why don't I use Fibonacci again? I was grown. I was great the thing, man. I don't use it anymore. I've not used it in months. I was great Fibonacci, nothing else. Like it not offend me. Oh. I was great. I was great Fibonacci. So this guy is gonna go up. Do you know why I said it's gonna go up? If he was not going to go up, price must not close inside of this box. Last week Friday's candle closed inside that box. If it's not going to go up, price will not close inside that box. It will tap it and run out. I'm telling you, it will tap it, but it will run out. But it tapped it and stayed there. It means we are ready for you. So we have more buys. Chicken now. We have more buys. Chicken now. And if we have more buys, it means that we also have to be strategic with where we are buying from. We have more buys on gold. We have to be strategic. We have to be really 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 strategic. So I just saw a message on Telegram. The person said I should show him where I posted the XAE USD trade. November 27. November 27, trade was sent. You guys can check it out. November 27, trade was sent. And I remember calling out the entry on the live stream. I remember calling out the two zones I'm looking to buy from. I remember calling out the two zones I'm looking to buy from. I don't know why many of you guys are just, I don't know, bad belly, I don't know. I think that's the word. Bad belly. This is the trade here now. I called it up. I called out the trade, called out the entry, called out the take profit. But no, some people think Coach David is small. God will help you. Honestly speaking, that's all I can say. God will help you. Honestly, that's all I can say. God will help you. God will really help you guys. God will help you guys. But at this point, I don't know. I really don't know what you're trying to say. God will help you guys. Trade was sent live. And the guy came and said, "Hello, Chief. Please show us where the trade was sent." Thank God I've shown you guys. It says, but there was no entry limit, just image. So if you remember on the live stream, those of you that were on the live stream, remember I called it out, and the reason I said I won't call it out on the live on the group is because I said we have so many trades already, but those of you should monitor it. If anybody can remember, please tell me. You know, there's no big deal. I'm not looking for a glorification that my trade hits take profit. This is the, I mean, this is not the 1 million, well, not 1 million, but this is not the 100 trade to hit take profit. You know, this is not the 500 trade to hit take profit. We have done take profit back to back. Also, there was a time that was earlier in the year. We did 6 weeks, no SL in 6 weeks, and that was sweet. That was sweet, you know. Um, we did 6 weeks. That was sweet. So if you guys can remember, please tell me. Oh. I'm not trying to glorify myself, but I remember that day I told you guys that the only reason I will not call out, I will not type out of the entries, aside network issues, aside anything, is we have so many trees to monitor, so many trees to monitor, and I highlighted everything and said, you guys observe it, observe it. Let's start with one, which is GBUSD sell, GBUSD sell, which we already in the trade that day. That's what I told you guys. Some people think I'm trying to play a prank on anybody. No, I'm bigger than that. Stop that. I'm bigger than that. Anyways, um, so where's our re-entry on gold now? But we know we are still buying, but we need re-entry. I would like to enter from the daily time frame. So open of today's candle is here. This is the open of today's candle. This is the close of Friday's candle. Then this is the highest point of Friday's candle. Just observe 4 hours. On the 4 hours, price has smashed all the three, man. Chai! Jesus. Jesus. Hi. Obara Jesus. Obara Jesus. Today's candle, let's see the lowest. Price has smashed everything. I wanted to use that one to do entry. Price has touched everything. Oh. We can't use that one again. Oh. Honestly, we can't use it again. I wanted us to use it, but we can't. In the next 2 minutes, 3 hours candle will close heavy bullish. And once it closes, I will re-enter from here. This is liquidity. This is imbalance. The price has filled it up. I don't like this entry. Okay, I like it on the 1 hour. It's not bad on the 1 hour actually. It's not looking bad on the 1 hour. To be honest, it's not looking bad. Though it's not my best of best trades. But it's not looking bad. It's not looking bad. What can we do? 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 Ooh. What can we do? 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 Someone said, I remember the gold matter well. I didn't take the trade because I was scared. I don't know why though. Well done, sir. Yes, now I called the trade out now. What are people saying? People not join live stream. Come and be asking me in my Telegram DM. Send me proof. Am I a baby? Check the screenshots that I even sent that the trade hits TP. You see that there was no single drawdown. It tapped us. Sure, there was no one drawdown. What are you saying now? The trade I called out. I even called out the entry on the live stream. After calling, you can go and rewatch it. After calling out the entry, and I said that the thing is we cannot take the trade right now because we have many other trades we are observing, and the trade is not ready yet. So I will not want to type everything so that people will not blow their accounts. Plus, it's gold. Just be careful with the trade. Observe it well. It is well with all of you. It is well with all of you. So I think what we can do. What we can do. What we can do. Okay. This is good, to be honest. I will not lie to you guys. To be honest, I don't like the way it's looking. I can't lie to you guys. So I think we should wait for it to come back down and clear this liquidity. Then we'll buy from there. I think that's what we should do. Let's wait for it. So we'll just keep this in our watch list. We're not entering it yet. We'll just keep it in our watch list. Don't touch gold at all for now. Maybe if King Seals come and help us with the analysis. But me, I will not tell you to buy gold or sell gold. Just hold on first. Obviously, we're going to buy it. We're not selling it. But it's not ready yet. So these are the three trades we're observing. GBUSD buys. Price is coming to the entry. XAUSD and GBGPY. I think that'll be all from me today, man. Because to be very honest, guys, I'm very hungry. I need to eat something. I was so busy yesterday. Went out. We had fun yesterday. I didn't eat jack throughout the day, man. And I slept with empty stomach. Not because I'm broke, but because I'm hungry, but because I was tired, rather. You know. I just need to. I need to sleep. I need to eat also. Those two. I need to do those two. I need to sleep for like an hour, at least 1 hour sleep. My body will wake up again. Then see the task they gave me to do list. A lot of things I have to do, and these things will take me hours. So please, just let's end the live stream here. Observe those trades, especially that GBP especially GBP especially GBP because GBP is still far for now, but that GBP I like the way it's looking. So observe it, please. Right? So see you guys at the top, not from the top, because you know what he said. The bottom is always, always, always too crowded. Cheers and God bless. Please give this video a thumbs up again. If you have watched to this point, it's free value I'm doing. I don't ask you for data, I don't ask you for money, I don't ask you for accounts, I don't ask you to dash me anything, I didn't ask you to pay anything. Just give it a thumbs up. And God bless you. Have a good day, you guys. Just thank you. Yeah. So if you believe you're gonna make money this week, I want you to type in the chat box, I am making millions this week. Just type I am making millions this week. Everybody do that. I am making millions this week. I am making millions this week. I am making millions this week. Just type I am making millions this week. Type I am making millions this week. Let me type it first. I am making millions this week. I am making millions this week. I am making millions this week. I am making millions this week, man. Type it. I am making millions this week. Your confession is your possession, guys. I am making millions this week. I'm making millions this week. Jumon is going to be for you. You're going to make millions this week in the name of Jesus. It's going to be for you, honestly. It's going to be for you, Oladapo. It's going to be for you, John Eshe Mukai. It's going to be for you, Danny Gray. It's going to be for you, David Achom. It's going to be for you. You're going to make millions this week. Sunday Mano, you're going to make millions this week. You're going to shave for me. Adebi, you're going to make millions, millions upon millions upon millions this week. In the name of Jesus. Praise Zero, you are going to make millions this week. I promise it's going to blow your mind. You're going to be surprised. You're going to be so surprised. You'll be like, I'm so going to love me rich. You'll be so surprised. You make millions this week. In Jesus' name. God bless you all and have a good day. Bye.